Facebook, how to delete a page. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete a page on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete a page on your Facebook, go ahead and then make sure to launch the Facebook application first. Tap on the three lines option from the top right and simply switch to the page that you might want to delete here. So navigate to the page you want to delete and make sure you switch to that page's account. Once you do that, again make sure to tap the three lines option from the top right hand side. But this time you want to make sure to tap the gear icon, which is the settings icon here. And as you tap the settings icon, here you should be able to see different settings. But what we want to do is just go to page settings here. Once we go to page settings, you should be able to see all the sorts of information right over here. Facebook page information, and under Facebook page information you'll find access and control. So make sure to tap on access and control, and as you go to access and control, you're going to see this type of interface where you can select deactivation and deletion of your page. So make sure to tap on it. Over here, select the option called delete a page, tap on continue. Select a reason as to why you want to delete the page, and then tap on continue. Enter your password, and after that your page will get successfully scheduled for deletion. This way you'll be able to delete Facebook page. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.